So what are TeethXpress same-day dental implants? I'm Dr. Paul Anderson, a certified TeethXpress provider from Peachtree Oral and Facial Surgery in Peachtree City, Georgia. Let's talk about TeethXpress, sometimes called all-on-4 dental implants. TeethXpress implants use 4 or more strategically placed implants to support a full set of replacement teeth. This implant procedure is a game changer. What are the benefits of TeethXpress? Fewer implants mean lower costs, and most patients leave with fully attached implant teeth that same day. Here's how it works. Step 1, consultation and planning. We start with a consultation and 3D imaging, so we can plan the case to fit your specific needs. Step 2, implant placement. Next, 4 or more implants are placed in one visit. Step 3, temporary bridge. After the implants are placed, you get a temporary bridge connected to your implants the same day while you heal. Step 4, permanent restoration. Finally, after a few months, we replace it with a custom permanent bridge secured to your dental implants. TeethXpress is a fantastic option for full arch restorations. Interested in seeing if TeethXpress might be an option for you? Then schedule a consultation at Peachtree Oral and Facial Surgery. We would love to see you.